You know, I was working on this and I realized, wait, I'm not filming this. Why not? So yesterday I got several pieces of this mahogany and it's very, very pretty wood. Unfortunately, this one piece I had a check that was running nearly all the way through it. So like the bowl surgeries I've done in the past, I cut it with the saw, then I took the hand plane and I planed these faces flat, and I have a piece of wenge, I think. I'm not good at recognizing wood, but that's my best guess based on what I found on the internet. So anyway, I'm going to glue this piece of wenge in here. Well, I have to say, I think this turned out pretty nice. So like the last few things, this is made from a piece of mahogany that I got recently. Very pretty wood. It's got a nice shimmer in the right light. This was a piece of Cocobolo that I had lying around. Because this piece of wood had a check in it, I decided to do a little bowl surgery and glue that in there. Not necessarily sure if the two colors of wood complement each other though. It adds some visual interest at the very least. So the feet on the bottom are made from offcuts of the mahogany bowl I posted yesterday. Overall, a very nice piece that would complement any home. So it'll be up on my Etsy shop soon, so check it out. I hope you'll stick around for more interesting projects from Cammy's Garage.